This tutorial review will show you how to screen share on YouTube Live. To share your screen on YouTube Live, first of all, you have to download the OBS Studio on your computer. So download it and install the OBS Studio, then launch the OBS Studio. Then go to your YouTube and click on this plus icon and click on Go Live. I'm going to selecting here right now. Go and select Stream. And now open your OBS and we need to take a new source. So click on this plus inside of sources and select display capture. I'm going to change the name here, YouTube Live. Okay. Once done, click on settings. Select stream. Click on this service drop down and from here you have to select YouTube. So click on show all and select YouTube HLS. And now click on use stream key. And I'll go to your YouTube and here you will get your stream key. So all you have to do is just copy your stream key from here and paste your stream key here and click on connect account. And now you have to verify your Gmail account, YouTube Gmail account basically. Click on continue. Once you successfully verified, go to your OBS again and as you can see, I've successfully connected my OBS with my YouTube channel. Now I'm clicking on apply. Okay. And now all you have to need, just click on start streaming. And click on manage broadcast. Enter here your broadcast title, give your description, select privacy. You can change the category from here. You can add a thumbnail for your broadcast. And then once you created your broadcast, here you will see your OBS is connected. And after that, simply go to the window or tab or website you want to share on your YouTube live stream. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.